This is funny.
You keep pausing while I'm leapfrogging. I'm so chill, but heat on me like I'm defrosting. Knock his teeth out, tell him keep talking. We is all in grandma room, we had to sleep awkward. My man just crossed over like he Crawford. He took the deal they offered. I'ma kill my partner. AK my new driver, tell him pull the car up. I okay my young boy, he'll shoot them all up.
It ain't a joke, take an oath, raise a toast, say yo. I smoke your boost, storm on the wire, put me in shower shoes. I'll be back with a power move, soon as my time up. I'm almost certain that my shots won't miss. Niggas will kill you, then upload it. They even took Pablo's flick. Kept quiet, shot while sleeping, cause he slept by it. Should've had it under the pillow, spare the next riot. Niggas thinking it's a game still, y'all. Streets won't kill me, my name will.
Broad day, pull my strap, they like low chill. Pick 12 with the trial, it was no deals. I be trying to go corporate, but I'm the culprit. You heard of Pop, Big and Pun? Well, I'm the closest. DEA investigate, they say I'm the focus. Lay on you for a month straight, I'm devoted. A president never did shit, I never voted. Moose said he got some sour and told me roll it. My little bitch got a tip, I told her control it. My ex bitch still on my dick, I told her get over it.
Funny. Get to the money. I broke through the barriers twice. The bottom took me to scarier heights. Most my beloveds up top, I bet that's where we unite. Hopefully not, who gon' be there to carry the light?